Fresh Choice Greytown is a favourite for locals and the surrounding villages for their groceries, proudly bringing customers a fantastic selection of locally produced foods. But it is rapidly gaining a growing reputation for its incredible range of local wines that represent the very best that the Wairarapa region has to offer. A huge variety of styles are here. The local standout Pinot Noirs, Sauvignon Blancs and aromatics, as well as Chardonnay, Syrah and dessert wines, available at exceptionally good prices. Martinborough, Gladstone and Masterton are the Wairarapa's main wine-producing sub-regions, and while they share a broadly similar climate and soils, their wines offer subtle differences in character for the discerning palate to explore. Local award winners and names now famous worldwide provide a fantastic choice for local wine lovers and visitors. Don't leave Greytown without selecting a few bottles of your favourites, and remember to pick them up from Fresh Choice.